Alright YouTube, so welcome back again. It's Buddy Tech Boy, and today I'm gonna unbox and check this Vivo Y29 5G mobile phone. Well, I'm not a good reviewer of a mobile phone, but as this is the new model and came to the market recently in 2025, so that's why I was thinking to share it with you guys. So this is a 4GB 128GB variant, and you can increase the RAM, virtual RAM. So the RAM will share some from the memory inbuilt ROM. So that's how you can increase the RAM. But this thing comes in a 8GB RAM variant too. Here you can see some specs: 5500 mAh battery, and you get a 44-watt flash charger and 6.68-inch high brightness Notch display and 300% dual stereo speaker, 50MP portrait camera. So here at the back, what you get in the box: one number of phone, one number eject tool, warranty card, quick start guide, phone case. You get a phone case, that's nice, charger and USB cable. So here you can see February, month of manufacturing February 2025, and maximum retail price 16,499. Well, that's not the selling price. I'm gonna tell you that later. So these are the color variant you'll get. There's three. So I got this one, the Glacier Blue, which is this one. So let's unbox and check it out. Well, that's the mobile phone itself. Let's keep it aside. And here you get this back case, silicone, I guess, or TPU, something like that. And here you get a warranty card, quick start guide, and that's quite big in size. See, output 5V 3A or 6 to 11V 2A max output. It's a flash charge, 44-watt. Here you can see that's it, and that's a SIM ejection tool, and that's a USB to Type-C cable. So that's it. Now let's keep them aside. The mobile phone. Wow, this is nice. Here all around, that's a still kind of shiny let's say bumper, and back that's the Glacier Blue. And here you get this ring light, that's kind of indication light. That's the two camera, and that's the flashlight. So quite big in size. The camera setup at the back, according to the size, it's very light. And here you can see the Vivo branding is right there. And also the nice thing is that it comes with pre-installed screen protector right there, you can see. So after buy this thing, you don't need to spend any money immediately on any accessories, like you get the back case and also the screen protector. And later you can increase them or change them to a better one. That's up to you, but you don't need to spend any money. So that's a nice thing. Now let's turn this thing on. Okay, here you go, Vivo 5G Android. Alright, so that's the screen itself, and check the smoothness. Smooth enough as for now. We're gonna check that later, but now let's check the camera. So that's the picture quality. It's quite nice. And now let's take a selfie. So that's the selfie itself, and it's quite good for 8MP front camera, and you get the 50MP main camera at the back with OIS, and other one with 0.8MP, something like that. So that's it. That was the unboxing and testing video of this new Vivo Y29 5G mobile phone, and that's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and check my other channels too. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye.